Avoid late fees and keep your credit score healthy by mastering the art of paying your RBC Visa bill online. Let's get started. First, navigate to the RBC Royal Bank website and click the Sign In button. Enter your username and password carefully. Double-check for any typos before proceeding to the next step. Once logged in, locate your RBC Visa card. You'll usually find it listed among your other accounts on the account summary page. Click on your Visa card to view its details. Then, look for a Pay Bill or Make a Payment button, usually located near your current balance. Click on that button. On the payment screen, select the account you want to use for the payment from the drop-down menu. Then enter the amount you wish to pay towards your Visa bill. You can choose to pay the minimum amount due, the full statement balance, or a custom amount. Choose the date you want to schedule your payment. Keep in mind that it can take a day or two for the payment to be processed, so pay a couple of days before the due date. Review all the details you've entered, ensuring the payment account, amount, and date are correct. Finally, confirm your payment. You'll receive a confirmation number, which you should save for your records. And that's how you correctly pay your RBC Visa bill online.